Hey, how's it going? And today I just wanted to give you a quick start into using this free plugin called Interactive World. And if you go into the marketplace, it's available for free. It's pretty amazing. It's probably a master class with using Niagara effects and materials. And it's you search for Interactive World and it's right here. And it's been out for, I guess, maybe almost a year now, but it's pretty incredible. And this installs to your engine, so this stays with your program. And I just wanted to show you how to get it started. So I'm just going to go ahead. I have it installed already, and this will just take a minute. I really want to do a deep dive into this just because I think it's incredible. And it's amazing that this guy is the developer, I guess, is giving it away for free or for people to experiment with. So it's based on the third person template. So we'll just go ahead and open that up. And when it's installed already, after it installs, let me go ahead and dock my content browser here. So anyway, if you come into your plugins here and you search for Interactive World, it's right here. So I guess you'll have to enable it. So I'll go ahead and restart it, and it just takes a minute to do. Okay, so here we are. Where this is it's actually in the engine folders. What you want to do is come here and make sure that you have show plugin content. And if we go into content and we go down to plugins here, then there's a folder in here. I hardly ever come over here. I should probably spend a little bit more time over here. See how the other side lives. It's called Interactive World Content right here. And then we go into Demo. And we go into Blueprints. And we have this character here. The BP Interactive World character. And there's also a map in here. So let's go ahead and open up the map. It's this L demo map. So let's go ahead and open that up. And then you see we have all these scenarios set up for us. So a lot of work went into this. The genius level of work. And so we're in the L map. And now if we come into this blueprint here under demo, blueprints again, and we double click into this BPIW character and we dock it. Normally you're going to come in and you're going to see all this stuff is out of date. So you're just going to delete everything. So you don't delete that. I've already fixed this, so it's not showing it, but you're just going to delete all of the character movement things, the jump and all this, the index mapping. It's not going to show as current, and then you just delete it. And what you'll do is you'll go into your BP third person and copy all of this. Control C. And then we go back into Interactive World right here. And then you go Control V. So you just have to copy and paste the controls, but don't delete these controls down here. And then you compile and save. And then we're probably going to have to go into Windows and make sure world settings are on. And put the game mode to BP third person game mode. And now if we hit play, we should have control of our character. And this is just fascinating to me. That's really cool. I mean, that is really something. So this opens up so many possibilities of things. I really would like to explore this further. The physics in here are really something. It does kind of freeze a little bit there, I notice, between. Not sure what this scenario is here. Oh, it's just like, yeah, it's really something. So anyway, that's how you get started with it. I think it's a really great introduction into some more sophisticated effects you can put into your games. So anyway, take care, have a great day, and I will talk to you next time.